At SafeJack, we manufacture a variety of bottle jack pads, extensions, and accessories to make lifting your load or vehicle safer. Everything we make fits together like building blocks to enable you to create the perfect kit suitable for your specific application. This is an overview of our most popular kits. These are our 6-ton jack pads and extensions. They fit over most bottle jacks with 1¼ inch ram. However, there is no universal standard amongst jack manufacturers to designate 1¼ inch ram. So to bypass this issue, we've come up with the extension screw collar. And what it does is it provides our extensions and pads to fit over the jack with 1.5 inches of engagement. Now, sometimes you can put them over the jack, but there isn't 1.5 inches, and that's when things can tip. So to use our extension screw collar, you simply extend the screw at the top of the jack. You take the O-ring off our extension screw collar, and then you snap it around. Tighten it back down and attach the O-ring. Now, you can use it with any jack as long as it fits the internal screw diameter. The most common point of failure when you're jacking a vehicle or load is the point of contact. Now, if this won't even stay up on even ground, how's it going to be when you're tipped or on the side of the road? Our solution for that issue is the universal lift pad, which will come in every bottle jack kit. Will also hold up to a 4-inch round tube and up to a 3-inch square tube. The other thing that's going to come in every one of our kits is a flat pad, which gives you 16 times the surface area when you're jacking on a frame or on any load to allow you to spread the load out across the pad. This is our starter recovery kit, and this is our private recovery kit from our Patriot line. Now, both of these kits come with a 6-ton Omega Industrial Quality 6-ton jack, a flat pad, a universal round pad, and a 3-inch extension. They feature a lift range of 8¾ inches to 20¼ inches. The only difference between them is one comes with the SafeJack canvas bag, and the other comes with the .50 caliber ammo can. This is our bottle jack recovery kit, and this is our Sergeant. Now, both of these kits feature a lift range of 8¾ to 36 inches, allowing you to stack them as high as you need to go to be able to lift whatever you need to lift. The difference between the two is one comes in the canvas SafeJack bag, our bottle jack recovery kit, and the other one comes in the .50 caliber steel watertight ammo can, our Sergeant. These are some of our most popular kits. They both include the 6-ton Omega Industrial Quality jack, as well as the extension screw collar. They also come with our 8.5 to 12-inch extension, which extends from 8 inches fully compressed all the way up to 12 inches fully extended. And that's what's going to give you your 36 inches in height. They also come with our flat pad, our universal lift pad, our 3-inch extension, and our 6-inch extension. We also offer 12 and 20-ton kits for larger applications. This is our 12-ton kit. It features a lift range of 9.5 to 27 inches, comes with a SafeJack canvas bag, a 6-inch extension, a universal lift pad, 3-inch extension, flat pad, jack handle, and a 12-ton Omega Industrial Quality jack, as well as our extension screw collar. We've specifically tailored some of our kits to fit RV needs and specifications. This is our 6-ton kit. It's suitable for RVs up to 24,000 pounds, has a lift range of 8¾ inches all the way to 26 inches. Features a 6-ton Omega Industrial Quality jack, an extension screw collar, a universal lift pad, handle, 2 3-inch jack extensions, and a 6-inch extension, as well as our SafeJack canvas bag. This is our 12-ton RV jack kit. It's suitable for RVs from 24,000 to 48,000 pounds. It features a lift range of 9.5 inches to 25 inches. Comes with a SafeJack canvas bag, a 12-ton Omega Industrial jack, an extension screw collar, handle, 6-inch extension, 3-inch extension, and a universal lift pad. With SafeJack pads and extensions, we've eliminated slipping at the point of contact, where most jack failures occur. And by using our extensions, you're able to raise your ram to your vehicle rather than relying on stacks of cribbing. But unfortunately, the higher you go, the greater your chances of tipping. To truly make the SafeJack system the best, we rely on our universal bottle jack stabilizer. And what that is it's an 8x7 plate with a series of holes drilled in it, as well as washers and tabs to make it universal to fit any jack, whether it's 6, 12, 20-ton jack that you have at home. So we affix it to the bottom of our bottle jack, and then we slide it into our large base plate, pulling the plunger, ensuring that all of these tabs are down tight. And then stacking it to your appropriate height and using it. Our bigger base plate also comes with handles, so you don't have to crawl underneath an unsafe load. You can actually slide it underneath the load that you want to lift from. Now that we've gone over our most popular kits, we need to talk about jack stands. Always support your load. We have a 12x12 compact jack stand and an 8x8 compact jack stand. Now these stands utilize the same jack pads and extensions as your kits. They're available for purchase separately, or you can buy them in a kit as well.